The Lexus ES midsize luxury sedan excels in comfort and offers buyers a much lower starting price than ostensible competitors like the Audi A6 and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. That's because it's a Toyota Camry underneath, with sleeker styling and posh interior furnishings. In our testing, we found its performance and driving character underwhelming and called it a rolling Xanax pill, a backhanded compliment of sorts for the way it isolates its driver and passengers from the bumps, thumps, and harsh noises of the outside world. The ES cabin is one of the more comfortable in the segment, its powertrains are silken and quiet, and its ride is soothingly smooth. It's simply not a car for people who love to drive. But it can be a car for people who love to save fuel. The 300h hybrid model returned 45 miles per gallon on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test. For the 2023 model year, Lexus introduces a new F-Sport handling package for ES350 and ES300h models along with a few new interior accoutrements. The F-Sport handling package is similar to the dynamic handling package that was available last year, which was then exclusive to ES350 F-Sport models. It includes an adaptive suspension with Sport Plus and custom drive modes in addition to a heated, F-Sport branded steering wheel. Buyers can now also pair a panoramic roof with the F-Sport design package. On the inside, the ESC's newish bamboo trim, a new macadamia upholstery color, and an updated center console design, garnished with a sunglass holder, a revised cup holder location, and a new sport for the wireless charger pad. The Lexus Interface infotainment system has also been added to the ES, bringing with it wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Drive Connect capability with cloud navigation, Hey Lexus Intelligent Assist software, and the subscription-based Destination Assist service. We're happy to report that the addition of this new multimedia system results in the deletion of the remote touch interface, the fussy touchpad located on the center console. While we're always weighing whether to recommend a car's sportiest version or a high-value mid-grade trim, in this case, we think upgrading to the ES350 with ultra-luxury equipment is most in keeping with the sedan's mission and core capabilities as a luxury sedan. The ultra-luxury designation adds special 18-inch wheels, quilted semi-aniline leather upholstery, a hands-free power trunk lid, a power rear sunshade, and a wood and leather steering wheel. It also requires the addition of the navigation package, which upgrades the infotainment display to the larger 12.3-inch setup and adds in-dash navigation, an electrochromic rearview mirror, a DVD player, voice recognition, and the automaker's informed destination assist service. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Lexus ES gives buyers a choice of 3 powertrains. The ES250 is powered by a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and comes standard with all-wheel drive. All ES350 trims come with a 3.5-liter V6 that generates 302 horsepower and is governed by an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. With all ES350h trims, motivation comes from a hybrid powertrain that provides a net output of 215 horsepower. A continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and front-wheel drive are standard. At our test track, the gas-only ES350 sprinted from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The all-wheel drive ES250 and the hybrid ES300h both made the dash in a more leisurely 8.1 and 8.3 seconds, respectively. This Lexus sedan exhibits the composed handling and forgiving ride quality that's cherished by many luxury car shoppers. For those seeking keener handling, the F-Sport trim adds larger wheels and suspension tuning that's more performance-oriented, but hardly enthralling. Even with this upgrade, the ES is less athletic than competing models such as the BMW 5 Series. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, mileage for the Lexus ES350 tops out at 22.30 seconds mile per gallon city highway. As you'd expect, the ES300h hybrid is even more frugal, achieving mileage of 43.44 mpg. The EPA's fuel economy estimates for the new ES250 are 25 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway. During our time with an ES350, we observed mileage of 39 miles per gallon during highway driving at 75 miles per hour over the course of 200 miles. With the ES300h, we observed fuel economy of 45 miles per gallon on the same test route, and with the ES250 we observed 33 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. With its stylish, asymmetrical dash and high-quality materials, The ES cabin creates a plush environment for passengers. Both rows offer enough legroom for the long-legged, and the seats provide comfortable support. Notably, the cabin is unfailingly peaceful, even when the ES is being driven at highway speeds. Both gas-only and hybrid models provide 17.0 cubic feet of room in the trunk, and this gives the ES more cargo space than rivals such as the Volvo S90, 14.0 cubic feet, and Acura TLX, 14.0 cubic feet. Unfortunately, the ES isn't available with a folding rear seat. This makes it difficult for this Lexus to accommodate outsized cargo. Infotainment and connectivity. Luxury car buyers look for vehicles offering the latest and greatest tech features. And the Lexus ES sedan doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with a touchscreen infotainment system with a standard 8.0-inch central display, and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability are on board to provide hassle-free device integration. A larger 12.3-inch touchscreen is optional. All models come with a 10-speaker sound system equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio. The list of standard tech amenities also includes Amazon Alexa compatibility, Bluetooth phone and music streaming, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and Scout GPS link navigation. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.